Here's another Let's Practice question. Pause the video and answer the question in the booklet. Note, this problem requires a calculator to get the answer. Okay, let's solve the problem. They are asking you for X, which can only be chlorine, bromine, and nitrogen oxide. In order to find out what element X or compound X is, we must find the molar mass of X. Using the chart, we will figure out how to find the moles of each element, as well as the unknown compound or element X. First, we start off with the information given, which is the number of grams for carbon dioxide and water, as well as the entire compound's mass. We must then isolate the elements that are in the compound from carbon dioxide and water. We find that the percent composition of carbon in carbon dioxide and hydrogen in water, and multiply them against their respective masses of the two compounds, carbon dioxide and hydrogen. This gives the mass of carbon and hydrogen. Using these masses, we will find the amount of grams the element or compound X has. We will then convert the grams into moles, so we divide the grams by their respective molecular weights in order to do so. Since we do not know the molecular weight for X, we cannot do this for X. Instead, we use the mole ratio. For example, for every 1 mole of X, there are 6 moles of carbon. Using the moles of carbon and hydrogen, we use dimension dialysis to find the number of moles of X. Once we find the moles of each element, we identify the one that has the lowest amount of moles and divide it against the other mole concentrations in order to find the subscripts. Remember, we are looking for the molecular weight of X. So take the grams we found for X and the moles of X that we find to find molar weight. We will then compare the molar weight of chlorine, bromine, and nitrogen oxide. You will notice that it is closest to nitrogen oxide. So that is our answer.